Good morning, everybody. Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments on this Thursday, April 11th. Well, the overnight trades kind of unchanged for the most part. I guess the bigger question is that have we, after two USDA reports, the quarterly stocks, prospective plantings in March, and then the recent one this week, have we put in some type of a temporary low for the marketplace after seemingly running out of selling interest on both of these reports and getting a little bit of a bounce at this time off of them? And that's namely in the neighborhood of around 435 for the July wheat, the 365 area for the July corn, and roughly around 895 for the July beans. So we're going to go and see if we can use it as, once again, we've been talking about this before, trading ranges, that being the bottom end of it. Because if we are kind of tapped out right now as far as the commitment of traders report and surmising that the specs have sold enough right now, where are we going to get some more ammo over the near term? So that leads us back to trying to get a bounce and or stabilize off of either the trade talks and or weather crop progress going forward in here. As far as the crop progress goes, we have another cyclone bomb over the U.S. right now up in the northern Midwest, and that obviously will come and go, and what its ramifications are is trying to get plantings going. And we continue to have successive rainfalls moving through the Delta and the Southeast. All of that, according to the forecast, is supposed to clear out the following weekend, so we'll keep an eye on that because as we move forward, that'll take on more precedence. Strategic Grains came out this morning out of Europe, and they've kind of been downsizing their soft wheat crop from the winter. Apparently they've been having a little bit of dryness, so once again, the northern hemisphere, how's their weather going to go in fair stabilization at this point in time? Trade talks, Mnuchin was out last night, Chinese also, they're making little comments about the meetings that they're having. Once again, it's become a little bit more quiet. As far as we can see, as far as the tidbits go, still in the progress stage as far as being constructive, optimism, things of that nature. Seems like they're trying to do some police work as far as seeing if everybody's going to abide by the rules, if they are getting adhered to. So as I said, the talks are still ongoing. There's progress as they claim. There's no dissension occurring. And apparently we'll just continue to see how that pans on out. And obviously that strings us along as far as the trade goes. Brazil was out this morning with some commentary on their crops, that being their government CONAB. They came out with a 113 crop for beans, and the USDA kicked theirs on up to 117. Rosario Exchange in Argentina came out with some bean and corn numbers, and they were larger than the USDA. So once again, we still have them as far as competition goes. Speaking of competition, our export sales will be out here shortly. So all in all, like I said, we have the trade net short. We found a near-term bottom. Our tops are still those early January highs, that being in the 540 area for July wheat, $4 July corn, and 960 July beans. Take a lot to overcome those levels. And like I say, right now we're kind of stagnant at our lows. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADM IS. Thank you.